Meitei Tribe Union, in short MMTU, has urged Manipur government to send the recommendation proposing inclusion of Meitei community on the scheduled tribe list, as this step is prerequisite for further process to be undertaken by Registrar General of India (RGI) and National Commission for Scheduled Tribes (NCST). MMTU, in a press note, lauded Manipur Inner Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol Akoijam for raising the issue and for seeking answer from Union Ministry for Tribal Affairs during the winter session of the Parliament. The press note issued by Secretary Administration of MMTU Mmtu Meitei further maintained that MMTU has been carrying out a nationwide campaign addressing the legitimate claim of scheduled tribe status for Meitei community. The union has also garnered support from various sections in India during this over a 13-year-long struggle by MMTU for this cause. Therefore, Manipur government needs to act soon and send a recommendation in the interest of Manipur people.